Hi everyone. Just wanted to talk about something while I'm walking because I've been getting a lot of emails about various things and they all boil down to not enough time, not enough love, not enough money. So have a think about whether one of those or all of those or two of those are relevant to you. So when you operate from that place of there's not enough of something, then you get an external reflection of that. So how do we change this? You start changing what you think. There's plenty of time, there's plenty of love, and there's plenty of money. I am loved. I have time to do all the things I want and need to do. And there's more than enough money. Money comes in faster than I can spend it. So it's changing what you think about those subjects. And if you look around, you can see often people that you know, people that you meet at work, people that you live with, operating from one of those in the lack of. So if you are doing that too, have a think about if you want more time, if you want more love, and if you want more money, you've got to get into the new state of there is enough of those things. Remember, especially with time, everybody has 24 hours. So it's how you spend it. It's how you actually move around. Do you move around relaxed, or are you kind of moving in that super busy mode, not really getting anything done properly and just skimming over the surface of things? So remind yourself, everyone has 24 hours. There's enough time. Everyone has the same amount of time. Can I be relaxed? Can I be in a good state? And then again with the love, and we've gone over the love stuff a lot on this channel, so I won't go over that today, about feeling loved and lovable and wanted, bringing that state up in your consciousness. And then the money, which I know many people don't have enough of, but it's the vibe of I don't have enough that creates I don't have enough. Money comes in faster than I can spend it. I have money to do everything I need to do. I have money to help my loved ones, children, parents, take some friend out for lunch for her birthday, or do something nice for your brother, or whatever it is. Having that state of consciousness, there is more than enough money. And just think, there's millions of dollars going through the universe, in the world, in billion-dollar transactions every day. So there is enough money. It's whether you've got the consciousness, the funnel that brings it down into you. So, just a little thing that I was thinking about as I was moving through with the emails I've been getting today. And now I'm going to get off this phone because there's a lady coming towards me and she's going to think I'm weird talking to myself on an iPhone. Because, not doing that.